Hello, it's me again, and I'm going to show y'all a little trick that my great grandpappy showed me. Well, maybe not that far back, but they showed me a long time ago. If something happens and you end up with a setting egg that's got a crack in it, then it's got to be repaired. And this one has got a little baby in it, and it's one of Cinderella's eggs, and little Lucy is all upset because it got a little bit of a crack on it. So the way you fix that is you go and get you a candle out. Make sure it's an unscented candle. And Lucy's going to take the camera now, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it.
Whoa, this is like very blurry.
First, you take it and you set it in your new bonsai pot that you've just built. Right there for bonsai trees. And hold it back a little bit so they can see all my doings there, Lucy. You're up too close. Alright, then you get your handy dandy Flick My Beck lighter out. Y'all remember that back there in the 70s? They had all them dancing shorts girls doing Flick My Beck on their lighters. I do. And you light your candle up, and you let it get all hot and bothered there. Uncle Goat likes to hurry along a little bit for the video process, because I don't want y'all to have to look at me no longer than you have to, because I know it's going to be terrible for some of you. And what you do, you get your wax ready. Now, if Humpty Dumpty had knowed this, he might have been alright. If this is a rooster now, Lucy, we're going to name him Humpty Dumpty, okay?
Okay.
Because he had a great fall. Now, you see that? Now, that wax ain't going to hurt the baby chicken, because they like it about that temperature anyway. And you don't get too much on the whole egg. You just put it around that crack like that right there. You fill it in. And then you can scrape the excess off of the outside of the egg, and then we're going to take it and put it in the incubator, and it's supposed to hatch on May the 4th. So it's 5/4. I'm going to go ahead and scrape that excess off right there. See how easy that is? You just scrape it off there. Don't hurt the egg a bit, and that baby chicken will never know that Uncle Goat was careless with its little delicate egg when I was out there checking them earlier. I thought Lucy was going to whoop me when she found out. Let's see, we just scrape that little bit of excess off, and then we'll go put her in the incubator. Or you can put it back under the mother hen when this wax is dry, because it'll be just fine to go under the mother hen. And this is the only way I know of to repair this our egg. Now, if y'all want to know how to remove them rooster spurs, go and watch our rooster spur removal. And we got another video of Cinderella and Belle trying to figure out where to go to roost at. So, y'all just look them up, and you can see the rest of our videos. We got about 1,500 of them, don't we, Lucy?
Yep.
Some of them's good, and some of them's
not so much.
Pretty cracky. Oh, you want me to fix that spot right there first?
Yeah.
Okay. Lucy said there's another little spot there.
Okay.
There we go.
We need a better camera.
Yeah, we need a better camera. Y'all make sure and click on them ads so we can get a better camera someday. Well, bye-bye, y'all. Time for me to go to bed. Go to bed with the chickens. Sun goes down, you go to sleep. Sun comes up, you start crowing. Night-night now. Bye-bye.